Hi friend, I hope all my this sweet friend good and healthy. God bless you all and always be happy friend. First of all, thank you so much for watching my previous video and supporting me. I am very thankful to you for your this favor. Secondly, you can see friend in this video providing you gorgeous and trendy amazing project top ideas. So please don't skip the video, watch video start to end because all of these designs are so stunning and so unique. I hope you all love this type beautiful crochet top ideas because it totally handmade and amazing collection. So pick your favorite one and apply for you. So I will share this video with your family and friend who want this type of beautiful crochet top ideas. I really hope that they will lovely this amazing collection. You know guys, different people have different choice and the lovely colors. Thank you my lovely friend for watching this video. For those people who searching beautiful in our classy pic, it is an amazing collection for them they will new design and new ideas related to your crochet top. Of you are lovely this article and if you want more design and more ideas. So friend, like my video, subscribe my channel. Okay my lovely friend, take care and bye bye.